two completely different juices. Only one can win the ultimate taste test today. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are splitting these up into two competing recipes. The tropical paradise versus the sweet sunset. Drop a comment right now and guess which one will take the crown.
And delicious in a Carlas kitchen. Carlas kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carlas kitchen CC, you hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carlas kitchen CC. Yeah.
Before we find out which one tastes better, I have some massive news to share with you all. Look at these glasses. We're officially raising a toast today because we just got back accepted into YouTube partnership program. Seriously, thanks to every single one of you who stayed subscribed and supported me during my 6 months break. I'm so grateful to be back. Now let's see which juice takes the crown. Wow, guys, this tastes so refreshing. It's so smooth, very nice. I could taste all the flavor from the fruits in it. This is very good. I would rate this juice 10 out of 10. It has a nice taste to it. Honestly, guys, it is not sweet. The watermelon wasn't sweet at all. Strawberries wasn't sweet, but I'll rate this juice a 7 out of 10. Okay, guys, this is Sweet Sunset. And this is Tropical Paradise. So what I want you to do, I want you to comment down below. Tell me if you're Team Sunset or if you are Team Tropical Paradise. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye.